Hey everyone, this video will show you how to install Jetpack onto your WordPress website. So I know in our lab we came into an issue where the site was crashing when we were installing it. I've since solved that for you. I just needed to increase the size limit of all of your installs. So now you'll be worry-free, and installing that your site will not crash. So to do this, you have to just be in your dashboard and go to plugins, and we're going to add new. It should be on your first page, and what we need to just do is install it. Once that happens, which just take a few seconds, we're going to go ahead and activate it. And what we need to do is set up Jetpack. So just go ahead and press set up. And the easiest way to do this is just sign in through Google. So if we just sign in as a different user just to see, could give you an idea of how this works. You just click continue with Google. You'll authenticate with your details, and then it'll run you through. Just go ahead and press approve. This might take a minute or two. Shouldn't be too long though. Just go ahead and wait, because it's going to allow you to select your plan. And although it looks like it costs money, it's just got that tiny little button here, start for free. Go ahead and click that. And then once you've done this, you can see it's redirected back to your site, and we just have to activate the recommended features. Once you do that, everything is good to go, and you'll be able to follow along with the tutorials coming next.